To start, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you're going to mix in all your dry ingredients. Now add in your egg whites. Now you're going to add in your butter. Just make sure that anytime you're baking, all of your wet ingredients are always at room temperature. Now you're going to add in your oil, your vanilla, and half of your rosé. Stop and scrape down your bowl. Now you're going to add in your sour cream. Now you can add in the rest of your rosé. To achieve the rose color, I just use 1 drop of rose food coloring gel. Anytime I'm making cupcakes, I like to use my ice cream scoop. This just ensures that each cupcake will have an equal amount of batter. If you don't have an ice cream scoop, you can just use 1/4 of a cup. Part is completely optional, but you know how like when you drink a glass of rosé and you put strawberries in it? Yeah, so that's exactly what my client wanted, so that's why I added the strawberries. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the rosé simple syrup. You just use equal parts sugar and equal parts rosé, and then you're gonna boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar has dissolved. Then after that, you're gonna let it cool completely. This is what we'll use for the buttercream. Okay, so now we're going to start the strawberry rosé buttercream. You're going to use 1 stick of butter and about 1 cup of freeze-dried strawberries. Now you're going to add in your rosé simple syrup. I think I added about a 1/2 cup. I'm just doing it in tablespoons. Now you're going to add in your vanilla, and I think I used about a tablespoon of vanilla, and then you're going to add in your powdered sugar. The amount of powdered sugar always depends on how thick or thin you want your buttercream. I went ahead and added a 1/4 cup of rosé, and then I finished the buttercream off by adding 2 tablespoons of strawberry preserves. These cupcakes were so good, very moist, and they taste exactly like rosé. You do not need any type of champagne or wine extract.